the Golden Mile, Puerto Rico's most prestigious financial and office district. With over 200,000 square feet of commercial real estate, Christiansen Commercial invites you this next September 19th at 4 p.m. for a VIP cocktail and take a look at what's inside.
Hato Rey Center is in the heart of our central business district. I mean, it's the most highest energy area of our downtown. You know, we have frontage on both Muñoz Rivera Avenue and Ponce de Leon Avenue. It's one of the few buildings that have a main principal access from both principal avenues. The other thing about Hato Rey Center that makes it so attractive is it's price conscious. You know, it has all the life safety features of a Class A building, but it's not a Class A building. So it's a more achievable, and it's perfectly situated to accommodate growth. The owners have put over $4 million into the building, brand new lobby, refurbished elevators, all the restrooms, some of the common areas, and on the office floors, LED lighting, cooling tower, air handling units, 2 brand new generators, the roof. You know, there's been substantial capital investment in the building to position it as a very unique offering in our Golden Mile of Hato Rey.
Most of the important things that we have is we have a power generator for all the buildings. We have a really good food interest amenities.
Some people that come from abroad and new local businesses are used to the new game, which is working 24/7. Are the parking services available 24 hours a day in the building?
Our parking is 24/7 with access and security. So they can bring and work all day if they want.
And we're here with Gerald Anthony, local entrepreneur and founder of Casa Barbero at the Hato Rey Center. Tell me about the concept behind Casa Barbero and why this is the perfect location for it.
Well, the concept Casa Barbero is perfect because it's a classic barbershop offering like technology or appointments services. Is perfect for this ubication for people who works and they don't have time to lose.
We're here with Laura Garcia, lead broker of the Hato Rey Center in the heart of the financial district between Muñoz Rivera and Ponce de Leon Avenue. Hi, Laura.
Hi, Maricel. Thank you for having me. That's right, we're in the Hato Rey Center. It's in the heart of the central business district here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. It's really the place to be for everybody that's looking office space right now.
Let's talk about the numbers. How much is the square footage right now here at the Hato Rey Center?
The asking base rent is $12 per square foot as base rent, and then $12 per square foot of operational expenses. It's really the most competitive that I've heard so far.
And you also offer a tenant improvement allowance up to how much for a 5-year lease, was it?
Yes, for a 5-year lease, we offer $10 per square foot of tenant improvement allowance. If the tenant doesn't have many contacts here in Puerto Rico, does not know an architect, a contractor, the carpet provider, we will also arrange everything. So we help everybody that's not familiar with the market here in Puerto Rico. There's also a lot of Act 20, Act 22s, and Act 273 international banks.
Laura, are you always available to show prospective customers the spaces?
Yes, I'm very available. You can always contact me at 787-778-7000. And there's no commitment, just you can come and tour the spaces. I do tours like 5 times a week, almost every day. So feel free to contact me and schedule a tour with me.
Any website where people can look at the offerings?
Yes, it's christiansencommercial.com/HRC.
Thank you, Laura.
Thank you.